getting ready for a work day, and I didn't want to take my tote, so I'm just going to take this small bag. I have my journal in there and my notebook for notes and for my podcast, and I'm going to take this instead of using my big purse. And then my iPad is in here as well, my charger, some papers and stuff like that. So this is all what I'm taking today, and of course my phone. We just left out of Hobby Lobby, and so I ended up getting some canvases that were on sale. 1, 2, 3, 4, so 5 canvases for myself. But I don't know, I'm just really excited. I'm just excited to have all these canvases anyway.
Some people have to say how they want you to take the next 10 steps of your day. Some people wanna tell you what they want you to do, but I'ma live my life. Why don't you just live yours? Whoa, 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 whoa. I'ma tell you push through, push through. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'ma tell you push through you. I'ma tell you push through you.
Okay, so when I got my friend to hang this up here, it didn't quite get hung so straight. You could definitely tell it's off. It's like sideways like that, but it's okay. I'm not gonna panic just yet. I don't know. Like I was able to take this, like this pops out of the wall, but I don't know if that's a good thing because I don't want it to fall. And I think from it just being here so long and then me moving on it, it's the hole kind of loosened back there. I don't know if you can see it. All right, I don't want to pop it out. So, I don't know. I want to take like some of these yellow tacks off and just replace all of them with like the clear ones like that. I need to try to snatch this out, but I think it's bolted. It's a nail back there and it's stuck on it. I can feel it. But however, I did take this down finally, and I don't know, with it being crooked, I don't know how I feel about it. But I don't know, I guess I just have to print some things out and then see what it looks like after I start taking things up here. But I think this does give me extra space to work with in my office. So I wanted to show you guys a hoodie that I made, but it actually just sold. So I'm gonna have to make some more of these. It just says speak up for your happiness. I'm really excited about this because I wasn't sure if it was gonna do good, but it did. It's going to New York. And the back of the shirt, I wanted it to be kind of like an art canvas. So I just put some work that I did on a canvas, and then I just transferred it to my iPad and, you know, turned it into vector. And so here you go. So it's the back and the front, and then the sleeve has some little stuff on it too.
Some people will never see everything that you are, building yourself up to be, from the earth to the stars. And if you stand in my way.
I'm at Hobby Lobby right now, and I wasn't gonna get anything. I'm just coming here to be with my sisters, but I found some wooden canvases, so I think I'm gonna get these and show you guys what I end up doing with them.
I'ma tell you push through, push through.
It is smaller than what I thought it was gonna be, so I'm trying to see like what I can do with it or where I can put it. But I don't want to mess it up. Like, I know I can put like a plant in here, but at the same time I'm trying to see if maybe like my paint brushes will fit in here, like if they'll stick up from the top. I don't know, but I love it so much. Look how cute this is. Ain't that cute? But this is the start of the show. Isn't it cute? I used to have all this stuff in college. It's just bringing back so many memories of like an art vibe, but also how broke I was because this stuff is so expensive. outside, and so I've been sitting here making a list of things that I'm hoping that me and my business partner can incorporate into our first launch that we're gonna have. All right, so after I send these off to the customer, I don't think I'll have any more of these left. So I'm just packaging this up now. The customer's name is Amber. So thanks so much, Amber, for buying these last stickers. I think I have some more of the Madam Vice President magnets, but I don't have any more stickers. And they didn't buy them off of Etsy. They contacted me through Instagram. So I'm gonna have to go on my Etsy shop and update, like just take this off so nobody tries to order these and then me not having any more. But anytime you want to buy something from me and if I run out of them but you want more, you can just shoot me an email and then I'll just like make an order. Okay, you guys, this is actually perfect. I haven't been able to use my bag yet, so I think it's time to pull this out. It's like an overnight bag, so I think it's perfect for this trip. I really love this bag. It's so cute.
You gon' trip. I'm like a cup of shroom tea in the morning.
Okay, we did a quick room change. We went up a floor, so now we're on the 16th floor.
It's my favorite bedroom.
It's your favorite? We're struggling to try to get in the room. Okay, so let's see.
Coat your throat like hot honey. You gon' need water, then want some more.
Alright, so I just did my wish. I'm gonna put it on the wall. I'm kind of short, but we're gonna try to see what we can do. Here it is.
Hey, you gon' slip. I love on you, and then I leave you lonely. You want to get to know me. I'll agree in exchange for your soul, please, baby.
I have no energy. First time out since I got the coronavirus.
You taste like maybe, baby, I need guarantee.
Alright, so I got an order. The first order that I've gotten since I've been out of the hospital. So this customer's name is Bethany. So I went ahead and wrote her name on it. And this is the free artwork that she can hang up. And a lot of times, I don't even know if people, like, if you get something in the mail, guys, make sure you look on both sides. And not just with stuff like this, but with everything. You never know. If you don't just flip it over and look, you could be missing something really important. So, yeah. So I got the one that says, choose kindness. Hopefully that resonates with her some type of way. This is the sticker that she ordered. And, of course, I'm going to throw in some extra things for her as well. And I'll see you after I get it everything together.
Let me try to show you. Maybe you would say yes to me.
It is storming outside. Alright, so some type of way my desk always seems to be junky like this. And I never hung that board back up. So I guess that's a good thing. So it's already ready to be moved. I just need to take that stuff down. I'm gonna go ahead and clean my desk off now so that there's nothing up here and we can like take it out. I gotta clean out the drawers as well. And then my little workstation, this can be easily loaded onto the back of a truck, but I need to get this stuff off the top. So that's what I'm about to work on now.
You're good, super slow, slow your roll. Your eyes, they tickle the pits of my soul. You made me come, made me go. Back it's gonna be lows. That's why I advise you to microdose, baby.
My iPad is about to die, so I'm gonna hurry up and show you something real quick, what I've been working on. Alright, so I'm gonna do like wallpaper, and I can show you without the background on it first. So this just says it's gonna be okay, but I'm also working on a background and show you with it on. Can you see that? I know it's kind of light, but so I'm only like halfway, well not even halfway, but I've done this side and just like little bit pieces around the edges. But that's how it looks. And without it on, just so you can see like the background layer, that's how it looks. So I'm gonna finish this probably later on because I'm gonna let it charge now, and I can get some work done on the actual computer whenever I go to my mom's, because that's where my computer is right now, since I'm halfway moved out of my apartment and halfway moved into my mom's house. Let's go. Okay, planning for a successful kickoff day, but I'm not sure how it's gonna go. So I need you guys' help actually to go to my Etsy shop for this company. This is gonna be the back of a t-shirt. We're gonna be giving away a few t-shirts, you know, giving away for free for people that help boost sales, and I'll explain a little bit more in a second.
You taste like maybe, baby, I need guarantee.
Alright, so sitting here cutting out a thank you card for a customer, and I also will be throwing in some free stickers, one of which has the Moody Desk logo on it, and this one just says always rooting for my people, and it's okay to have a bad day. I'll show you the thank you card after it's cut out. Got it all cut out.
Let me
Stopping to take a quick little break. I just ordered some water and refilled my hydro flask, and then I'm waiting on my order. I did a call-in order from the Friar's Nook, so that should be ready in a minute.
try to show you. Maybe you say yes to me.
I know the lighting isn't that well, but this is a actual yellow blanket. This side is white, and the client's name was Hannah K. My friend wanted to make a blanket, so me and Ashley did it, and I did the hand-drawn type first before we pressed it. Instead of just finding like a type, I just wanted to write it for her, so I wrote Hannah. Her name is Hannah. Her last name starts with a K. I'm not sure what it is. So it went from here to there. And she did it on the Cricut. And then we did the heat press. Sublimation, I think is what it's called. This is a really big blanket, actually. It's really nice, really fuzzy and soft. I feel like it could be reversible, honestly. But yeah, so that's our latest little project. Good morning, guys. I'm up. It's December the 2nd, and I am editing the vlog from yesterday. I wanted to post it yesterday, like night or last night, so I can have one going up at the end of the day, but it didn't work out because I got back in so late, and I just did not have it in me to edit. So that's what I'm working on today.
to say how they want you to take the next 10 steps of your day. Yeah. Some people wanna tell you what they want you to do, but I'ma live my life. Why don't you just live yours? Whoa, 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 whoa. I'ma tell you push through, push through. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'ma tell you push through you. I'ma tell you push through you.
Some people will never see everything that you are, building yourself up to be from the earth to the stars. And if you stand in my way, your words will mean nothing, no.
Alright, so what I worked on today for the prompt was sugar cookies, or no, Christmas cookies. So I just did like these sugar cookies. This is one that's broken. And then the star of the tree in the mitten. And I wrote baked with love and shine on these two. And the other ones just have different patterns.
You cannot hold up my rocket from going where it's gonna go.
I posted yesterday on my Instagram page that I had some free prints that I'm trying to get rid of. I just like to clear out things at the end of the year. And so Amanda messaged me and said that she wanted these two prints totally free. So I'm just gonna go ahead and send these over to her, and hopefully they make it to her before like the holiday build up, I guess, because I know since everybody's sending out packages, it's gonna be a lot of mail. So I hope she still can get it in time enough, just in case she wanted it for Christmas. So I still have a few more prints, and I'm gonna show them on here as well, just in case someone wants to reach out on YouTube and get a print, because it really is that simple. I'm just trying to get all these prints out, so I really want to give them away.